Hey guys, I'm here to teach you how to reset the clock of Electrolux Stove clock. This is Allan&Kate. I'm here to teach you how to reset the clock of Electrolux. This is the appliances Electrolux for stove, and this is how you're gonna reset your clock on the digital dashboard of the appliances. So the time now is 11 and this is late, and we're gonna set up this all the panels that you're looking for, the numbers, the reset buttons, which is how you're gonna turn on the stove. But more on that, we are focusing to how to reset the buttons of this stove. So you can see this is the panel. This is also the start button. There is a timers on the top and also the user ref or reference. So the keypad that you can turn it on or adjust the numbers. So focus on the dashboard. You can see there is a cook timer and timer. Okay, so press the user reference. On the screen is LL0, LL on, and this all it looks like menu for setting all this clock. Okay, the timers, we're gonna talk about that, but on the top is 1, so I'm trying to adjust it now. Oops. Okay, one more time. Trying to adjust the clock. So 11:45 a.m. here in Hawaii. And after that, you're gonna press start. One more time. Start again. Another one. Start again. So cancel up. There you go. So the time now is 11:45 reset. So it's so easy, and you can do it in a minute. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and see you soon.